How to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. First of all, open Facebook application and make sure to log into your Facebook account. Then tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this menu page, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now on this drop-down menu box, tap on Settings. Once you get access to your settings and privacy page of Facebook, you have to scroll down and under your activity, select Activity Log. On this Activity Log page, you have to select the Connections option. Now on this Connections drop down box, you will see Manage Friends option. So tap on Manage Friends. Now select the Filters option, which is underneath the Archive button. Now select the categories and now tap on Your Friends. Here you will see your friends, so you can tap on their post and tap on the three dots next to their username in this way and tap on Unfriend, and you can tap on Remove button. So this will remove this friend from your friends list. So let me inform you that there is no any option or there is no way in order to unfriend all your friends of Facebook all at once, but you can simply tap on three dots next to them and tap on unfriend and tap on remove. In this way you can manually unfriend all your Facebook friends. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.